Hello again, friends. You see, from the series Fixing Things for Friends, here we have today a Nescafé Dolce Gusto. This was developed by in 2006. There are a few models. This particular model with white and black and something, it's looking like it's KP2002 and have a standard pressure of 14 bars. And the device consists of a water tank, an internal water pump and an electric heater. The dispenser is in the top where the lever lowers the plate. This one, it's leaking. My friend said it's leaking bad. This will have some tests, isn't that? We take this out from here and just check the water tank. I suspect that rubber thingy down there doesn't keep. No. Okay. Do we have a drop? No, not yet. Let's introduce this machine. So the electronic, it's working. That's the water quantity probably. It's ready to go. So here we're supposed to have that capsule. This one goes in here and effectively put a hole in those coffee doses, starting the whole process. And probably this was clogged. I found this in there. Is there any sensor around here? Can we fake this one? Okay, let's clean this. Drops of water in there. Be careful, it's a really sharp needle in there. So that, now I got it. So when we are opening this up, inserting the coffee dose, or how I call it, and then this goes down. So here we have a sign, you see, with blue and red. We should have hot water. This is cold water. Be aware of the needle. And here we should have hot water. Yeah, it's working. It's really hot. The story with this guy, it's very simple if we take it the other way. It's like this. Hot water. Oh, I think I can see a problem already. But we should have everything going into the middle. You know, we should have all the water coming down there. But it's going up there somewhere. Why? Of course, and the water, it's leaking into the, look there. It's leaking at the bottom of the things. And I got water in this tank. Okay, it's time for surgery. A chisel screwdriver able to reach one of the source size. Next, I believe I have some screws here of same sort. So we have this plastic and voila. So we have this heater, that's a heater, and we have this pump in here. Down here, I believe it's like a sensor, so it's feeling when the water is moving and probably connecting the pump or something. There, look. Leaking, you see that? Once again. And yeah, there is leaking there, but from where and why? Good question. It's kind of funny, people, but I can't find anything wrong with this machine. But you see, here is a gap. There's a single gap which can lead to leaking outside. Let me try to do something. You know, now I'm the engineer, now I'm the project manager. So I'm gonna close this empty stuff here with some hot glue to avoid any leaking. Maybe the needle is not exactly in a proper shape or something, or it gets stuck with some calcium. Anyway, I think this is the last thing I can do. I will put some hot glue over there and try to cover that output from this fuse. You see this one down here, this one. You can certainly see the pipes, and the pipes are okay. The tubes are fine. The connection is fine. Very, very, very interesting. I really don't know if it helps, but at least I'm trying to. No, I have space back. Okay, I can't do anything else. Let's have the head back. This is the last resort. And by the way, I didn't realize that, but this one is made by KRUPS, which is supposed to be a German company. Okay. Okay. The electronics should go into the place. Come on, just get in there. This is fine. The pump should go in the place also. Okay, we are good. Now all the other connections like this. Good idea. Good idea. Always a good idea to have the wires on a photo. Okay, there we go. Then the brown, white one, red and black. Okay, we are good. It's back in place. Now we have to close this. Of course it's wrong because they are getting inside here either. Okay. Perfect. And this one. The hot water is working okay. Let's see now. No leaking. No. It's clean and dry. I think we did it. Yes, it's dry. Goody goody. Okay, let's push some more. And also, I may say, the water it's running as it should. Not anymore. Now it's leaking. Oh man, something happening here. End of the game. It's looking like that little needle there. It's getting stuck. Obturate. Now the water is going everywhere, but not in the middle. So I think we are done here. Nothing to do. Absolutely clogged. No chance. It's nothing going through that needle. It's stopped. Clogged. Let's open it again. Done it. Third time. That should be the lucky one. The hot glue here, really good. Let's check the pipes. 3 and 3. So the single problem I can see, the needle, it's absolutely clogged. again. Now it's free. Now it should run. I can see the light in. Okay. This is back in place. Let's close it down. Let's check the pipes. Now it's free. It's working. Yeah, that should work. So, like a rule, with something like that, to have it all the time with around, you know, in case of that deuce or neither, it's stuck, clogged. So it's stuck again. What we can do now is to take out this guy and to use this little piece of wire into the, you see the needle there? So we have to use this and to try to declog it. Is this working without? Let's see. Yeah. So it's clear. Let's put this on. And let's go. That's the way it should work. And it's working. And no leaking inside. Let's see. No. We are good. So, the leaking inside, it's appearing when that little needle get clogged. You know, this guy. And when that one is getting clogged, of course, nothing worse. Okay, so I guess the mystery is solved. When the needle is clogged, then the water is not going through and it's leaking all around. At least with that little bit of hot glue there, somehow I obturate a hole. So the input, or let's say the deluge inside the machine is not so dangerous like before. But anyway, keep in mind, you need a piece like this. That's the one. So this is a necessity to unclog the needle, and then everything will be just fine. But for now, to be sure about the results, I'm gonna add some acid inside the machine, you know, and let it run for, you know, a couple of hours. So just let it stay for a couple of hours to kill the calcium, and then we'll see what's happening after. Anyway, I think it's fixed. It's not leaking inside anymore. Of course, you have to avoid the needle to get obturate or clogged. And the simple way to find that is to see if the water is coming straight down here or leaking all around. If it's leaking all around, just shut it down and clean the needle. You know, the water should come down here from this main hole. That's it for today. I hope it's useful and I hope it's interesting, because for me it was the first time fixing things for friends. And see you next time with some other experiments. Until then, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please push the like button. It's really important for me. It's really important for my channel. And also thanks a lot to my sponsors, Raduji and Vlad from Ampere Records and Czech. And yeah, to the next time. Don't forget, have fun. Bye bye.